Hello guys, I'm back again. I'm going to do individual videos of each of the two Emersons I acquired. I'll start with the 8000 BTU model. See, it's got the nice brown trimmed, awesome decorative front. Filter's in perfect condition. It's all cleaned up. I got it washed and everything. Got all the dirt out of it. Took everything apart yesterday in the pouring down rain, mind you. Washed everything out, so she's perfectly clean on the inside. I apologize for the animal noises. Got the birds over there, and then the dogs won't shut the hell up. One thing that's unique about this one, well, weird actually, is it's not, well, let's see if you can figure it out. Huh. Well, I'm sure if you know what these are, you figured it out by now. There's no EQK tag or an Emerson Quality Code badge on the bottom or the top. Now the older models usually did have them on top. I don't know. I don't think they fell off. It don't look like it. That's just some masking tape down there. There's no signs of there ever being an EQK tag. So maybe this wasn't the deluxe model or nothing. So maybe it didn't have one. And it doesn't have the EQK box up here like most of them do. Like if you look at the one over, here, it does, and that one does have the EQK tag as well as the label. And that one also, this one also don't say Watt Watcher. It's set up the same, minus the fact that it only has 3 buttons instead of the usual 4. The only thing different about this one is it's missing the normal speed. It doesn't have a medium. It's just low and high, or quiet and super. Take the front off for you quick. Read off the information. I don't know if you can read that or not, but it says cooling BTU 8000, 60 hertz, cooling amps 11.5, cooling watts 1250, energy efficiency rating is 6.4, and the model number, which is probably the most important part, is 8EJ1W-K. I guess I can give you a serial number too, it don't really matter. 7E7618550. That's the AHM certification sticker. Hazardous moving parts, this, that, and the other thing. Let's pop it back on so you can hear it run. Come on. There you go. Plug her in quick. It's on auto, so it ain't gonna kick on right away. Hey, I'm quiet. Now it should. I guess it ain't warm enough to kick the compressor on. That sucks. I'd like it a lot better if the compressor would kick on. As you can see, it's very, very quiet. I need to put new side panels on it. That's like $10 at Lowe's. Take me 5 minutes to put in. It's like 30-something degrees out here right now, so it might not even kick on. And it really don't make much of a difference. You can barely hear the damn thing run anyway. This one also has a trying to make sure I got the right one here. I think it's the next one. No, it was that one. Alright. I thought this was neat. It has the original sticker claiming the, there you go, put it up there, that way it'll hold its place. 8,000 BTU, 1250 watt capacity, 115 volts, 11.5 amps. This is for available 7,500 to 8,500 BTU, 115 volt model. The ER range is anywhere from 5.6 to 10. 10 is really good. Now they claim EER is better on the newer models, but which may be so to an extent, but if you run a newer one that has an EER that's like say 9 instead of 6, it's going to be running 24/7 to keep up, because it's not designed to get as cold. It's designed to run less efficiently to make it more efficient electric-wise. So basically, if you run this one here, it'll run for an hour, and you can just shut it off, or it'll kick off and stay off. Whereas a newer one, I'll have to keep running to maintain the temperature. Comes with the original logbook, and this one here was built, or complies with New York State minimum ER requirements as a data manufacturer. Kool. 8EJ1W, 8,000 BTU, purchased July 19th, 1977 at Moscow. Probably one down near Birdsboro where this was bought from. Or I think he said it might have been bought down in Chester somewhere. It looks like this one is not going to kick on because it's too cold out there, and for that I apologize. But air directors work perfectly, very efficiently too. It's fired up on super quick. It's a little bit louder, but not much. One more look around. It's a typical high quality air conditioner from Emerson, Kool, as you would expect. Again, as usual, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And get ready to see the 5700 BTU model right next.